Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Janen. As you guys can see, we look like dolled up, aren't we? And excuse for my just a little bit of skin, because why not? It's Christmas, so parties are everywhere. Christmas party, house party, school party, company party, you know, party, you know what I'm saying? And you wanna look cute, you know what I'm saying? And of course, it's December, why not to have a red lipstick on? So if you wanna know how I create this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so my skin is squeaky clean and moisturized. And now let's move on to our primer. So for my primer, I will be using my Lancome Eyebrow. Spread this all over our face. For rampahan, I use Eyebrow. It works on me and stays in my face. So yeah, for our foundation, I will be using my NARS in Syracuse. This is a full coverage, but you're not a full foundation wearer, you guys. I suggest you just put a little bit on your face and just rub it. Oh, I haven't done my brows. Yeah, and full face talaga today. You look good with your outfit. You should look good too, I'm saying. So yeah, in your party, you need to look flawless. Even if you're not, just fake it, I'm saying. And you want to look cute because you have a nice outfit, right? I like December, I like Christmas party because, you know, you'll be able to dress up, you know, you'll be able to look cute. I'm saying, I don't know, maybe just me, who knows? Because at the party, you're taking pictures and stuff like that. So you don't want to look like you have makeup here and no makeup down here. No cute. Now let's do our brows. I will be doing these brows first and off cam this one. Pag rampahan, I use deep brow pomade because this thing, girl, even you wash your face off, this thing stays. Anastasia, and this is in medium brown. And let's do this because brows is life, you know what I'm saying? And this one right here, this is from MAC 208. Let's carve these brows, I'm saying. I start here in the edge. It comes to the brows. We have different techniques. Short techniques. Since I'm doing this rampahan look, I'm gonna make sure that my brows is on flick, you know what I'm saying? Perf! O diba? And just brush that up. Gusto ko lang to siya kasi pag rampahan, pak na pak. Yes, and now let me do the other side and I'll be back. So using my concealer, I will be using the Start Shape Tape. My friend Cheryl gave this to me because she didn't like it. And let's see if I like it or what. But anyways, thank you, Bakla, for giving this to me. Okay. Ooh, girl, there's a lot. This nose. And I'm gonna use this as my base as well. And to blend everything, I'm using this sponge. This like highlight right there. I like how it looks like. Well, so to make concealer, I will be using my Laura Mercier. And for my powder, I will be using my MAC Studio Fix, and this is NC43. So yes, and now let's move on to our eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow today, I will be using the Huda Beauty. And for the look, I don't know yet. Let's just figure it out. We need to create this beautiful Christmas look that easy to create, you say? So yes. Using the Desert Sun, I'll be using this all over our eyelids. As always, I will be doing this eyes, and my left eye will be off cam. To save us some time. You know, just make sure to blend your eyeshadow, diba? You don't want to look harsh. And as always, take your time. Give some time, like an hour or two. After that, now I will be using this color right here. So using this amber color, this is going to be my transition. So you guys, I have a video for like the brushes for hooded eyelids. This is one of my essential brushes in Sigma A40. which is I will be using today. So this is what I do. I will keep blending this. Blending is the key. So this look is going to be like easy to recreate. I don't want to give you guys a hard time. I'm saying if you have hooded eyelids, you need to work really hard. Alright, and now moving on. So using this, I don't know how you say that. It's like a brown color in this palette. How do you say that? Oud? Oud? I don't know. But this is like a matte brown. I'm going to place that here in my outer V and slowly blending them onto my center of my eyelids. So I'm gonna leave this color empty because I will be using a glitters, because why not? I know you have a brown color eyeshadow because you know that color is really basic. And going back to this color, I'm going to blend the edges because we don't want those harsh edges over there. So I think that's good, and now let's move on to our glitters. For my glitters, I will be using this Cosmo. Beautiful color, you guys. And I'm going to place this here in the inner down in the center. So let's do that. Let me try my finger with this. Ooh, wow, okay. So let me try this with brush. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. Let me just wet this with my MAC Fix Plus. I said simple, right? But it's fine. If you don't have this color, you don't need to do this. Now it looks like a Christmas tree ornament, isn't it? And now to deepen up this color, I will be going back to the brown color and just touch this up right here because it's getting crazy. Shining and shimmering and splendid. So I'm just gonna deepen this up here. Going back to my Sigma E40, I'm going to blend this harsh edges here. Yan, extra. So for my brow bone, I will be using this color right here. You don't need to do this if you don't want to, so this is just my thing. Okay, so to tightline my eyes, I will be using my Sephora. This is a retractable waterproof eyeliner. When you tightline, please be careful. To smudge this eyeliner, I will be using my MAC 228. I'm using this the brown color. Okay, and after that, I am going to use the amber color, my transition, and I'm going to smudge this up. There you go. So that's it for our eyes, and now let's move on to our falsies. So for my falsies today, I will be using the Sephora collection. I love this. That's good right there. Now let's move on to other eyes. Off cam and I'll be back. So I'm back and our both eyes is done, and now let's move on to our mascara. I'm just gonna do my mascara and my bottom lashes from NARS, and this is in Climax. And now our eyes is done. Now let's move on to our face, you guys. Now to contour my face, I will be using my Sephora contour palette. This palette is so pigmented, look at that. My hairline and here in my temple right here. And bring down to my jaw. Blend, blend, you know. Diba? Woo! The good thing about the Sephora contour palette is blendable, so I will worry less for that. Sa ngalan ng contour, magpapadoktor ka pa ba? Kung ganito katangos ang ilong, di ba? The power of contour. Oh my lord, those nose, girl! Oh, di ba? Ang tangos! Ang tangos na ng ilong! Kalain mo. Now, let's move on to our bronzer. To bronze my face, I am using my Milani and baked bronzer in Soleil. Yan. Our jaw. Yes! And now, let's move on to our blush. So for my blush, I will be using my Anastasia, and this is in Radiant. And I'm using this color right here. This one. This is the Breeze color. Not too much, just a little bit. Or the back. And now let's move on to our highlighter. So before I do my highlighter, let me just set this with my MAC Prep in Pride before I'll do my highlighter. So let me just set this first. Yes. For my highlighter, I will be using two colors, and this is Maybelline, and this is in a molten gold, and my Physicians Formula in Vegas Strip. It's highlighter time! Let my highlighter speak to you. I'm saying. Both highlighters are from drugstore, so they're inexpensive. But look at those. Oh. And in my chin a little bit, and my cupid's bow. And now let's move on to our lips. And of course, since it's holiday, let's do it in red. And this one right here, this is from Sephora brand, and this is in the shade number 96. Let's just apply this baby, you know. Girl, how can you not love the red? Ooh, it looks like orange, huh? It's fine. You can make it work. Oh, diba? Well, yes, girl, those lips, you're saying? So let me just go ahead and change my clothes and put my hair down, and I'll be back. Yes, and this is our final look. Hair down, a little bit of skin. Because why not? It's saying. Yeah, like crazy. So here's the thing, you don't need to wear red if you don't like red lipstick, because there's a lot of people that they don't like red lipstick. You can use any mauve color or nude. But the thing about nude though, like when you're like taking pictures, it kind of washes you out. So yeah, so just saying. So in my eyelids, you don't need to use this pressed glitters. You can use a matte if you want to, like lighter matte. And if you don't like shimmer, I'm saying, so use your matte. It doesn't matter. So, you know, you want to look cute. It's party, you guys. Who doesn't like that? You know what I'm saying? I hope you like this video, because I love how it turns out. I look so pretty. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. And if you like this video, please show me some love, you guys. Give me some like, and do not forget to subscribe. And let's be friends, because why not? And turn on your notifications on for more videos from me. And enjoy your Christmas party. Enjoy your party, you guys. Slay, baby, slay, I'm saying. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!
I just wanna dance.